Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are good. Are you tired of feeling like you have to choose between eating healthy and sticking to your budget? Well, fear not. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can have your cake and eat it too. Eating healthy on a budget may seem like a daunting task, but it's actually easier than you think. By following a few simple tips, you can easily maintain a healthy lifestyle without overspending. Meal planning is key when it comes to eating healthy on a budget. By planning your meals in advance, you can avoid impulse buys and take advantage of sales and discounts at your local grocery store. Plus, you can use leftovers and ingredients in multiple meals, minimizing waste and maximizing savings. Buying produce that is in season is another great way to save money on healthy foods. Not only is seasonal produce often more affordable, but it's also fresher and more flavorful. By incorporating a variety of fruits and vegetables into your diet, you'll get a wide range of nutrients and health benefits. Cooking at home is also an essential component of eating healthy on a budget. By preparing your own meals, you can control what goes into them and ensure that you're eating nutrient-dense, whole foods. Plus, it's a fun way to experiment with new recipes and flavors. When eating out, it's important to be mindful of your choices. While it's okay to indulge every once in a while, try to opt for healthier options when possible. For example, you could order a salad with grilled chicken instead of a burger and fries. In conclusion, eating healthy on a budget doesn't have to be a chore. By planning your meals, buying quality ingredients, cooking at home, and making healthier choices when eating out, you can easily maintain a healthy lifestyle without breaking the bank. So next time you're at the grocery store or restaurant, keep these tips in mind and watch as your wallet and waistline thank you. Guys, thanks for watching.